you need to make sure that that first lien position is paid on time, because if they foreclose, you lose everything. Especially in today's market, even if you had a lot of equity in the property, the reality is that foreclosure auctions are not going how everyone thinks they should go, and the equity is just sitting in these properties with the bank. And so I have recently ran into a couple private money partners or second lien position holders that say, like, I don't have the money to pay for the first lien mortgage. I don't want to manage the property. I don't want to take this over. And so second lien positions are the exact same as first lien positions. You need to lend to own. You need to know that if something, and this could be, God forbid, catastrophic. I saw a post recently about someone talking about how a borrower passed away on them. You have to be able to step in. You have authorization to speak to the mortgage company. You need to know who the mortgage company is. You need to have the seller's contact information. So if you need something, you know where to go. You have to have all of these pieces of information, because that deal is just as much yours as the lender as it is the borrower's.
Absolutely. And that's why they always say loan to own, right? You want to make sure that if all else fails, you're ready to own that property. And that requires having the proper documents in place. The POA, the third party authorization, the portal information, to be able to check, like, there has to be an open line of communication. They need to be able to see, okay, is this mortgage getting paid on time? And, that's very important. And I don't think that that's something that a lot of second position lenders are asking for. And I don't think that a lot of TCs have the foresight, like you and I, to be able to put those documents in place for that second position lender to say, okay, well, here, you're also protected, because if, God forbid, you end up needing these, here they are, right? And I wanted to say something else that I think is very important to note, because I've come across this situation, unfortunately, quite a few times, both on the seller side and, on sometimes, I've had some second positions that didn't go as planned. And they're like, what do I do now? Just understand that there is protocol